My youth, what may you say go on with?
What?
Eh?
With what?
When you say with what?
With what, me general? Me don't know nothing where you talk about. You just come here and talk about see you. What me do? Explain yourself right now. Me not understand.
Yo, me in a little pity business with you, you know. And you know, see me and my woman saying, and you come walk on the place and I come advertise me a gallus and this and that because girl them like me, yeah. But yo, me and my woman brethren, and me a try to make it work. A long time we a try get it settled, you know. And you come advertise certain things, eh? And what problem?
No, man. You get from bad to worse. You just come accuse me. Me, I can tell people say you're gallus. I'm from not see you as no gallus. Eh? You're one burner, man. Who could have call me name? Look at my face good. My face look like somebody I walk and watch people. General, come clean, man. Come clean. Look how long me know you. Me don't know you as no gallus. Probably me might see you with 6, 7, 8 gal on the road. Me don't call that gallus.
Yo,
a boy
Upper
thing
Kerry
that.
me I come from, you know. Upper Kerry yard, me walk, me 2 foot them come from up there. And that's where I come from right now. Kerry tell me, say, you, I know you know Popeye, eh? Popeye, I chat all these things I talk about me, eh? Brother, me no depend where you depend, you know. Me no depend where you depend. Guess what you gotta do? You have to go clear it out with Kerry.
Well, I know, me general. See where you gone wrong now? Remember say no, I know me alone name Popeye, you know. The whole universe have Popeye in the area you go, you have a Popeye. So, to me you know I can't tell nobody say you're a gallus. Because you're a girl clone. You're a real girl clone.
Oh, you call girl clone, you know me? Yo, I show me that one, do something here. Yo, who you call girl clone?
Where you do? Put it down. You can't even beat your woman and me or beat. You're a real girl clone, youth. You're a girl clone. You better go on, man. Yeah, man.
You go on, yeah? Go and try your clit. Because you're chocolate. Me a girl clone and you're chocolate. It's alright, everything good.
You have to test it before you try. Come disturb man, palm man, chocolate there.
By the time, clean up the place, yeah.
Mix them and mix me up in a star. Yo, I chew, yo. Kerry!
Oi!
Papa,
What there?
you know where Papa me I come from?
Yeah?
Yeah man, Papa me I come from right now.
What one?
He might tell me what I go on. You know what I mean? Cause me have to check him. You know, regardless of telling me what I go on, me have to link him still and find out the nitty gritty cause me can't bother to mix up.
Youth, you really go for Papa after me tell you that? I can't believe you do this. I not rate you, my G. I can't trust you again. I not rate what you do, swear. That means that anything I'm tell you, I go back with
I can't take it mix up. I have to go down there and talk to him. What you expect me to do? I'm just ease myself. I'm a woman, me I talk about, you know. At the end of the day, it's like, me know, say, you know, you tell me that confidence and I respect that as a virgin. But guess what now? I have to find out because who know go sit down and just wait. What me go do? Me have to check Papa if I see really what I go on. You tell me that yes. Me sorry for telling him still
Okay. And you mix up your this. So you think me name now follow you? Eh? You think me name now follow you? You! What you call up me name for? You lady, yes, you!
Me?
You and him. I come on, they come talk about me, I watch him. But me I tell people about my gallus. When man no gallus, you're a girl clone. Me and you know no association.
Hey. Are you follow me? You want me shadow? You me shadow? Hey, don't follow me, man. What you talking about? I'm so me do. You me shadow? You come walk up behind me every time. Yo, you look at this shit on me. Yo, me lick you long enough by you. Me want to lose my money now. You see me lose my man? Me want to lose my man. You see my friend? Just wait. Me want to lose my money.
Mr. Hold me.
Oi, easy yourself, man.
Come on, see how you. Just wait. Me want to see you put it on.
Listen, you see, as long as you don't live, don't call back me name. Me know what people business. Me tell already people business jump on me foot. And once it jump on me foot, it they go kick. So top. You see how you.
Step out that place.
What?
You.
Oi, easy yourself. What you used to call up your name with?
You tell him more me I call up this a rent a jed. Not me yam that's a rent like him. And I can talk about me say him a gyalis. When me know say him a gyal clown already. Which part you hear me tell us say him a gyalis?
When you come here yesterday, you never tell me say you see Kemar down so with Wally pa woman. Tell me say you never say so.
Me see him, but you know, listen what me did say yesterday. Me say, Kemar is a man not to carry out, go anywhere. You have to put the man there aside because when the man they go nowhere, me can't get no girl because I'm a girl fool. Me never say my girl is girl fool. And you can't tell the man about me I walk up and them when my girl is.
So Kemar, you did really upside one if a girl?
Yes, you know what I mean? It was one of them night there, you know what I mean?
One of them
on
night
my birthday.
One of them night.
On my birthday, man. You know me have, birthday. But yo, love my business alone. Yes, sir.
That's a business. One birthday, it was just a gigolo.
Yo, you see how you
Calm down, little man. Calm down, the man. Wanna ease on yourself.
On my birthday.
Wanna ease on yourself. It was just a misunderstanding, man. But here what? No need to prolong this no more. Just go on up your yard and you come out. Because I need to do some things right now.
Yo, make him go on first. Make him go on.
Yeah,
Go on, come out that place first. Because me only want to pass him. Yo, come on. Yo, see how you want to
Go to your house, man. Go on.
You come like a grass. Go ahead, get everywhere. See how you? Go ahead, man. Well, I'm brother.
I want to go over there, so. Me here chatting and cussing and sitting. Now I want over there.
Now go on, man. Just be, my brethren will link up over there so we are talk about, who forget the partner draw and all these things. You know what I mean? But, sometimes we have some little heated conversation. But me I say, I come link here now.
Call link me? What you mean call link me?
I mean I come link here, yes, get a link, cause we can do some of them something, Dugu. No. What you say?
What? Hey boy, I two people there make me not send you up on the hey, move out of my doorway, man, and go along by your business. Send me the fence into your lick you down too. Come out of my doorway, man.
No to violence. No to violence.
What owe me?
No to violence.
Right. Boy, I come talk, boy, you come check me, check who you're bright.
Yeah, girl, party did nice last night, you know? Yeah, remember some go out on the head top.
Excuse me, princess. Let me
Wait, somebody talk to me. Soon call you back here. Yeah, we can go out later again. Alright, later. Yeah.
You see, I walk by and me happy. Just even though I see her up on your phone and thing, I don't want to be rude. You know what I mean? If I say I'm willing to, you know what I mean, talk to you in such a way where, we can take it to a different level if possible. Because I guess a girl like you, I know so you must have a boyfriend to tell you how special you are every day. You know what I mean? Because them lips, I know so I'm telling you
Hello,
this.
if you are going to tell me say you like me, just say it straight out. We are grown so much kind of for. But anyways, I have my man.
Okay, I understand what you said, but that means that me can...
Until boy, until.
You mean?
You hear me say me have my
So
man?
hold on. Come on. Alright, when I outside, you did there look at the girl, I know you come and look this a girl. You're one dirty dog. That means I never like Papa did that.
So you did just run there so I look one girl and you come out here and look me?
You see a dog that.
Come here, roll you.
From you hear the voice and you see the face, you know who it is. Richard Brown already. Alright? So, if it's your first time to the channel, it simply means that you have not subscribed as yet. So please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified when we upload brand new content. Because you don't know, we are grow and we need your support. So please subscribe.
Hi.
So welcome to the channel. Subscribe, make sure you hit the post notification bell so you don't miss a post. The experience from me come down here Negril and left out of Portland, it is great because I'm still there. I learned enough something. I never know if I turn on one camera, now me I shoot. I never know if I edit, now me I edit. And that is a big thank you to Richard Brown, Imana G. Big up yourself, Richie.
All me see I take up some girl we are run them, me not run them down. You see what me there do? Me a try if you know how to chocolate.
No, no. You say I try for chocolate?
I try chocolate. I'm fine when you want to go, me understand. No problem. Let's go.
Alright, bye. Action.
You talk about lucky she hold it. You lucky she hold me. No, but you didn't touch me.
No, wait. You must have a boyfriend to tell you how special you are every day. You know what I mean? Because them lips, them, you know, them tell every day, say, you know, them. Make you have to suck them. Yo, you know, someone reason about a situation. Yeah, man, it's a situation that going on where, you know, sometimes you have to wonder. Brother, you know, if you have your woman and feel her best friend kind of give her a vibe, you know what I mean? Like she'll send you a certain signal. How you don't approach it?
What you mean? Me not understand. What you mean?
The man means say, if you da ride off your woman best friend,
Yeah.
that it mean.
You
What you mean?
You don't do it?
What you mean? What if you stop me? Yo, brother, I'm telling you this, brother. You don't know them a girl in you. Yo, when you don't know what go on when you're gonna walk and you're gonna walk, you're the pan road, brother. Them a girl daddy. Me bum you. Them a girl you a brother.
Alright, rough. Yo, film decision just serious. So Jota, where say I go on now? What your opinion on this situation?
They don't do it. Cause watch it out. My woman. I not true, I love her alone, you know. I loyal to do it, man. Cause what goes around, come back around like in a little circle. I not do that, brother. I just not do that thing. I tell you the truth.
Yo, you know, easy in the car. Alright, you see, me share same sentiment. I see him, so me say. I never do that, brother, because I guess I know. I have to respect, you know, like the whole loyalty process. Because it's a process, you know. Man a dog, you know. Like back in the days when I was like maybe 15, I don't know where I go on. I might want to take a chance, you know what I mean? But now I respect her, she respect me, you know.
So what you say? So what you say? So what I say? So what you say? You tell me, say, if you see your woman best friend, you on there with him. You on there with him. A joke you know make man. Right now, I tell you, say you right now some of the girl them, see some of the woman best friend them better sometimes, most of the time. Round and shape good.
Yo,
Allow me to tell you.
beauty is in the eyes of the beholder. You see, if a fatty you want, and one little slim as pass through, yeah, she might have a little tight stuff, but you know what I mean? The confidence and the loyalty.
Me as a man, as a big man, me actually in order for married now. So basically, me not do no little stupidness to mash up my thing though. Yeah, and true again, if me do or go do something like that, I don't wheel over so better. No, sir.
Yeah, I'm gonna tell you something, man. Everybody have them own freedom for free themselves, you know what I mean? That's why them say man a dog, you know, because some man really just live their life there. But some man, as a man say, mean harder to get married. Me now in the process of...
So hold on there. What give you the reason for the ask with all of them questions? You're up to something, you know. You see your face, you're up to something.
No, John.
Yeah, man, you're up to something.
Sometimes when you have a bridge in them, it's the best place to talk and reason on certain things, because, yo, me don't like how for me... Me don't like how for me woman, best friend, kind of, you know, she too...
So something for you, you know.
Look on his face. Look on his face. Look on his face.
Yeah, nah.
Yo, I wish woman. Yo.
Without fire.
Yo, I wish woman. You see your woman with you.
Tell me.
Yo, we are friends now. We are friends now. Yo, we are friends now. You
can
keep secret now. We are friends now. Yo, we are friends now, daddy.
Yo, hold on, man. Yo, it's like saying, I'm a woman.
Watch it.
A pansy, man. Yo, a pansy, you know. A pansy what yo. See a wife you call. Yo, pick up on the selfie, man. You understand me? I said, we talk, a wife you call.
Yo, you take it easy.
Chop him.
Yo, you see, I come ask you a question.
I chop him. I want dirty boy.
No,
I hear what we have to say. Chop him. No. I want dirty boy.
Yeah.
Yo, watch and see what I do. The most chap that's where they don't know. Can't bear me see it in my face.
You don't see it in my face. You don't see badness in my face.
Babe. Yeah, man. I know it's Valentine's Day, man. So you say, ready to go out? Where's the pansy today? Okay, I'll try to make sure. Alright, no problem, man. I'm on my way home right now. So the next 2 minutes I can see me. Alright? Cool, now come.
And 2 hours now. And public say I take 2 minutes to reach here.
You so come man, you don't know them still.
I wonder when they.
How come, babe? Pansy still there?
Yeah.
You good?
Mm-hmm.
So, babes. Oh, God, sorry if it takes so long, man. Sorry if it takes so long. Oh, my God.
Why you take so long? How long me wait for you? 2 hours now?
I'm gonna try to do something special, extra special for you, but you know what? Better me just carry out and just go eat some food and we just, you know what I mean, have fun the way we're supposed to. Not sure. So,
Me your long soon I wait for you.
yeah, man, come and tell us, yo, the on the road, tired, but you drink still like fridge?
Yeah.
Get it for me, do. And then when you get the drinks, we just ready and go out. Yeah?
Alright, yeah.
Alright. Don't stay too long, you know?
Alright. You not done packet?
You took me down on the road.
Okay, so leave. Alright. Yeah, come.
So public, if me did in our relationship, with all them nice Valentine's things here and stuff, you get what me I say? I don't really want to hear still, you know, but you get what I say?
But me no think we fi even entertaining conversation because she will chat me up, me sure about that. You know what I mean? So, but me no know.
So me ask you something. You think me attractive?
Yes, but Bob Marley when done say there is Bob Marley say one love, one heart, one at a time, you know what I mean?
Yeah, so we can share our love.
Yeah, but me think about it. Decide me can.
Yeah, come go and I'm fine.
You sit down close the door.
She good, man. She good. Don't worry yourself, be. You know, say I'm a number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. She good, man. Don't worry yourself. Hey, I've been through so much today, so be stressed out, tired and all that. But you ready to go? Girl, go with me. Come on. I want to have a good night tonight. How about the eyes, man?
And action.
Yo, brother, I'm telling you this, brother. You don't know them a girl in a youth. Yo, when you don't know what go on when you're gonna walk and you're gonna walk, you're the pan road, brother. Them a girl, daddy. Me bum youth. Them a girl, you a brother.
No, we can't go. No, we're not gonna tell us if we love him, no. We're not gonna tell us if we love him. Action.
Yeah. You still there? Why go and pansy everything?
Oh, pansy. No. Pansy,
wait, I'm calling you know what I mean? Have fun the way we're supposed to. Not sure. So, but if you come over, come on out there. I want you to hurt her feelings. And I can't say yes. Lady!
Yeah, what?
I'm gonna take so long to come in. You have to come in.
What? Tell her. Phone a burn up.
What? Every minute somebody mention me. Me see your phone, me see you go on, you kick up views.
Tag along bad man, me not lie.
And you know if I tell you the truth. Oh, you did there. I will we there when the song build up. Fire creative. Fire phone that one. Fire said, don't open your mouth. Don't open your mouth. For all of the fans them when they like open their mouth. And you know over there so they have the fans them where can open their mouth.
And one thing though with you, girl, you're determined, you know, long. You write song and song that when I get a bus here. I rate you.
How long do me the music?
I must say a long time, you know. You write song from primary.
Boomba. Someone know say I'm a real Gina dog. Even me remember say so long me do music, you know. Yo, hold on. You know say somebody else me attention. Yeah, cut.
Careful on the road. Alright?
Yeah, man.
Be nice.
Yeah. Same too.
Come on.
Eat out.
Boy, that man have to come here every night. You can't
You
make
can't
rest.
call it that bullshit. I wish I didn't want to come for every night.
No one knows that she's safe still, doesn't me?
But the girl is well alright. I worry about the wrong
Cause
thing.
she's street smart, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I said some more. I want with it.
So do not go to party tonight?
No, sir. We're staying home.
I know me wrong. I have no money.
We're broke.
Why? If we have money with that sponsor, I will have but now money, I know. Well, you can check myself on that picture road still, so later.
Alright, man.
Yeah, take care.
Cool.
Boy, we need to do better, you know. Everybody's on the road and we just there, so.
Not true. We don't must see house, Lily.
I true school have way, man.
I don't lie. Every time soon come, man. Know yourself. Understand?
I know, I feel like I'm going to give one professor where look me a link.
Yeah, at least you have an option.
I want to not sleep yet. I don't know coursework.
Look at this one here. I said, come in and ask about coursework.
Coursework.
Every minute I talk about man. How about man, so?
So I'm to you, Kira. You not have no man. You come and talk about coursework. You not no man.
We can't go and talk. My main focus right now at college. Man can't stay for last when time I done college and get my Toyota RAV4 and something.
They're not perfect, you know. But you know, so we need them at times. We need a little cuddling. Somebody to take we out, bring us presents and gifts and make we feel special. What you talk about, girl? And when you're down and your man call and tell us something nice, you know that feel good.
And
What
if
you
I'm
talk
money.
about? Worst thing I tell us when I get some money.
She don't understand, you know. Yes,
What
man.
do you?
Still me go to college. Phone, man pay. Little apartment, yeah. Man still help me pay that. When you're lonely. Why you look start out in pleasure? What you are going to do? Talk, man, talk.
I mean, no, she not have a tie. So tell me something. Suppose when you left school, right? And you get a degree. And you still not get a job. And you can't put out, you can't nothing for yourself. What you are going to do? You are going to need back it, you are going to need backup. And the only backup is man unless you are going to take woman. Talk to me.
Well, I see one nice cute guy from the school and he say like me. I don't know if I like him so, but I think I'll give him a chance and see what going.
Give him a chance.
Yeah, man, give him a chance and make him take your virginity.
Just make sure so when you start, you have your protection. Always have a condom.
You know, so sometimes I really want to know if it's true. Make sure so I don't make no mistake, you know.
We don't make you make no mistake. Are we have your front?
Oi! May I come there? Yeah, David.
You know, say iPhone charger me come borrow though. Cause me wake up this morning and realize that my charger now work.
You can give one. You know what I mean? You can make sure me get it right now for you.
So my friend Ashley, she not there.
Yo, I don't even hear about the name there right now, you know. Hold on. Now a second.
Yo,
Give me brother, what go on?
look one thing more you do for me today. No man, I know what I send you man, I just want you to carry me. But drop me off on our wedding.
Yeah man, yeah. Drop it down, sir. No problem, man. Me a forward now. Yeah? Alright, cool. Here we go. Let me go for each other first. Because I have to run on the road, yeah?
Alright.
Don't
yeah.
move on it.
Yeah, man. Respect. Yeah, man. I wonder what they have. Let me call Ashley and find out what going on. Cause phone battery all dead too, you know. Now it sound like your phone ringing on this. Girl! Sorry, I see the girl.
Yeah, boom. Are you call me?
Yes. Yeah, sit down. How you feel, man?
Boy, I not even know which part to start tell you from. By the way, how you here? How you know say me and my man in a thing?
Just a come over your yard. I see them go borrow your charger. Cause you lend me this and I know say no film charger. Cause I never see me life phone charger. I ask him for you. You want to see the face and give me, you know say man there dirty dog though.
And I really him do nothing still, you know. But I want a long story. I will leave to it. One next time when I see him, tell him I just stress out.
What you say? But it sound like a big things are going on the man. Like you hide things from me, you know, so we live.
No man, nothing like that. I not hide nothing from you, girl. I just stress out. You know then one day I crab up.
Oh.
But I go make you know what I go on. I go down yes. Yeah.
Make
you
sure
good
you know.
now.
Yeah man, me good man. If I not, you know, say you always can talk to me.
You gonna know everything.
You sure say yes, sir?
Yeah man, alright just man, alright just.
Oh. So, how you say I do you love her, sir?
You know say I want my brethren link me for come video and wedding film. So hold on. When me say wedding your face look so?
You remember Ashley? For me girl? And the reason I say girl right now because I can't believe she don't do that to me. Brother, the girl give me bun with one brethren who I know personally. But at the party when I see her, you know what I mean? And to me, it better somebody when tell me about it than me have to see it for myself. Don't in a man throat. You know what I mean?
Sorry, I mean to laugh, but I don't in a throat part can I get me. But really and truly on a serious note, me never expect that from Ashley still. But what should they know?
Show up a yard there, brother.
Where you just say?
Try with a girl there.
Show up your yard. Jaja. Alright, so hold on. Me think say done left her after she cheat. But big man thing. What you plan for?
Why brother for real you know, hear what going on. Me wanna think about for work it out, you know. But which part of the reach right now, brother? I can't do it because you see how I feel, how the girl me feel seen say, you know, she do it and not tell the story about it. I feel for y'all mash her down. You know what I mean? I lick down all the youth and thing. But based on what I go on, at 3 days I give it come out of the place, you know. But it's still their yard still, but connection, you know. 8 years, you know. 8 years, brother. That I promise.
Alright, you are one, brother. Don't do nothing too rush. Zane, just take a deep breath and just think about everything what you gotta do. Because I know say rough, you know. You see me? See you now, how with me I gotta do. So people still are get married. So at least there is still hope. You see me? So just do the right thing. If you have to let her go. And just no rushing or nothing. If you find a new girl, you find a new girl. But I go match up this and now and just see if you can come pick me up later though, Zane. Alright, so if anything look more there, Zane. You take out there, Zane, yeah.
you see there? Alright. You know what I'm saying? I make no sense. I try to communicate with you. And the thing is, you're going like a you for vex. And me for vexing and me to feel a way about the whole situation. I make no sense. Why this don't make no sense?
We can't deal with it like this. You understand? I can't talk to you in this state. You me know say me wrong. No say I'm me wrong. But you're going like say you're perfect. Nobody not perfect. And I don't like how you did a deal with situation in there, so that's why I come out and say me a breeze out.
Past that stage a long time, you know. Past that stage a long time. You know what I mean? Cause I guess I know. You see the stage over there right now is like a broken glass. Can't mend up. Can't me personally don't have that time there. El finito, we just done. Can't work out certain way. You understand? And when you see me walk out here, so come talk to you. I talk to you because I'm if you know say oh. You have to just take your things and go on. You know what I mean? Because you can't work.
What you mean me have to pack up and leave? Baby, when me I go stay? Yeah, me know say me wrong.
Let me tell you this. When you do what you do, you never think about where you go stay afterwards. You never think about the other thing.
I know say me wrong and everything, but me not have, you have to give me some time or something.
No time no there. I be a skeleton there right now. So guess what now? You see, what me see with my eyes, seeing, I know somebody come tell me, you know. I know somebody come and miss you with my eyes. So guess what you have to do? You have to understand. Alright, here I go. Me I give you 3 days. 3 days. 3 days me I give you. 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 days. And after 3 days, you better find somebody. So today, my time now. The time start now, you know.
Baby, 3 days. 3 days. 3 days can't work. Me are there for 8 years now. Look for me when me attack me. 3 days. 3 days can't work. 3 are dead. By the way, me are there for 8 years now. And by rights, me supposed to all have shares in everything.
You're lucky me I give you 3 days and now me put you out. You talk about shares. Share was the only thing we share was a plate of food. You know what I mean? Because I guess you know, 8 years and you fit do that to me. You don't think about the flip side of the situation. You are going. Do what you want to do, you know. Because me I tell you have to go.
If me go down to the lawyer right now or anywhere, them can tell you by rights. You have to give me more time or sir, have some sympathy, me and you together. It's like you don't have no heart.
If you want to reach a police, make you reach a police. What you have to do, you have to do. Enjoy your day. Do you start now?
And what did this idiot waste money? Hey, you must feel like a psycho. A wrong girl this year. By the way, anything where you say, just go on.
Father God guide me, you know. Because I guess right now, you see a girl that talk or kind of something, I don't want to do not know what I'm supposed to do, you know. Make sure take her things out of the place.
You know what I mean? I'll go around there too. Because any other boy they dash me thing them out the door. A war, you know. Any boy dash me sit them out the door.
Welcome people, it's your girl Finger Kira and I also want to get over every channel, yes. But the entire video I got it over my channel, which is Kira TV. Also the link I got it down in the description box below. So go over there, go check out the entire video. Subscribe to every channel, subscribe to Kira TV for more exciting and nice short films. Bye!
Prepare food then?
No, I'm not ready. She's on first.
Oh, okay. I guess I'm hungry, you know.
But here one now.
What?
I don't have enough flour and support.
You don't have enough what?
Flour so you not get Not something like we like.
Jeez, how kind of situation that? Tonight a wrong night for that, you know. So how comes the floors a little bit?
Never remember forgetting.
No worries, man. Just go on the way, yeah? Because me understand the situation. I just me and you and we hungry belly cousin now really pass through today, so we're good to go.
Alright.
Yeah?
Public!
Baby, hear that?
Public!
Dirty papai.
Public! That sound like public, did you, man? What? Welcome myself here, man. What? Open up. Nobody in?
Yo, what one?
What me do?
Everything good?
Yeah, man, me just come from the bar. I'm frost.
You're frost? Why look like you walk with the bar?
You don't have no food around there?
No, man, nothing around there. Whoa, yo, sit down, man, sit down.
No, you always have put them there, man. So where your wife there?
She,
You know around there?
she asleep. A late time, brother. You see, since the curfew, everybody have to go in bed early. You know what's that saying right now? We don't have no choice. Because I guess I know, we almost stop long at a restaurant to buy some food because we never plan to cook. Me never plan to cook. So it's like say, you know, we have to just go to bed.
Listen to me. Curfew is no curfew when you're there in your yard. So if you tell me say you want a little food around there, oh you have curfew in your yard and in your yard you're there.
Hey, lower your voice before my wife wake up and start curse you. You know what I mean? But guess what you have to go do? You have to go find something to eat around so or something, but nothing now go on here so. I can't guarantee you that. You know what I mean?
We don't wake up your wife. We don't go wake up your...
Oh.
You don't smell that?
No, I'm not smell that.
Whoosh!
No,
man, I smell food.
No, man, you are going now. I know food, you smell. Sit down, man. Sit down, take your time. Sit down, man. Just relax, man. Me don't know, maybe a KFC smell wrong so car breeze a blow heavy and thing.
Me know KFC smell. You have to tell them all that life 3 hours before you get a piece of chicken and you tell me say KFC. No, man, come on.
Don't worry yourself, man. Hear what I'm going to do. I'm going to check if I the neighbor and see what I got. Here, don't go first, man. Everything good.
Hurry up now, come on, one piece of chicken hungry. I'll bark me, man.
Alright. Don't worry yourself, man. See? I check and follow back. Hey, the man I smell the food from out there, so me not share no food tonight. You hear me say, help me window them, lucky pot them, don't make a scent come out of the pot. Help me do, as a matter of fact, help me window them, make it blow over neighbor yard. Help me them. Step aside. Right, come on, get you.
Yes. You don't want me there.
Fast, come on, I don't want to go. Yes, help me do if I solve the case. What me do with them? What me do? Yeah. I can see so. I soon come here. After making go. Yo, you still there?
If me still there, if you know me hungry.
Go over look more. You are going. I have bad news to tell my brother.
What happened now?
I know the neighbor will like me. I cook. So, them a cook, but you can't get none. Your dog knows I work for truth. Food I cook, man, that year. You can't smell the atmosphere. You know what I mean? But I'm sorry for you. I don't know how you work it out. You have to go just, you know, go and go eat a piece of bull or something, I don't know.
Listen now, your neighbor mind not talking, but maybe if me go over there go beg them, so I just pass through your house and go talk to them. And them not talk, but me and them will agree. Just let me pass through this, please. I'm going to go talk to them.
Hold on. I know so this thing work. Me tell you already. Say me woman in there asleep. I mean I want she wake up and come cuss you. Cause and then me know if when time come and time get cold, me can't go touch her. Cause she go vex with me. You understand? And you know say in a them a time ya breeze a blow cold. You understand?
Popeye,
Look how long me cooking mackerel up there and I wait upon you.
Mackerel again. I play mackerel with milk.
Milk?
Yes, go on.
As a matter of fact, you know, you better come up on near me food, you know. Me not let you done here. I put a blast. Yo, come pull the grill.
Stay out there. Oh, sorry. You know what I do,
Come, come.
Public.
Come near me food.
Public.
Come near me food.
Go on. Hey, if you've been watching so far, guess what? Thanks for thanks for the support. Thanks for staying with us. Thanks for enjoying. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for liking, comment, and share. This is Popeye, and this is
Bad girl Carrie.
My God, you hear that? Bad. Hello.
If you're watching, that means God bless you today.
Yes, Lord.
And I'm glad. And I said hallelujah.
Yeah, man, guess what? This is public report and public with a K, public official, you know what I mean? So guess what? Thanks for watching, thanks for enjoying, thanks for supporting. This is Popeye, this is Care, and you don't know, so we're there. Just entertain, you know, all the way. Richard Brown Films team, you know what I mean? That's the dream. What your name? Tell them what your name now?
My name is Bad Girl Care. I'm new, but look out for me.
Yeah, man. Popeye, take
My
it away.
name is
Take it away, Popeye.
Popeye, you know. Yes. I'm just making people laugh no matter what I do. I enjoy making you guys laugh. Continue support. Please subscribe. I will give you a long support on this channel. I will make this man have me on his channel.
Yeah, man,
as long as you guys keep on watching, I will support him.
Yeah, man.
And being on it, they're gonna laugh.
Yeah, man.
And we are gonna do our 2 P's one. So the continue. Make sure you subscribe. Don't miss it.
Go on. Him drink a little bit too much. Everything good still, you know, go on do your thing. I hope my hungry belly cousin will come over here tonight. I think come over here tonight, I will... Jesus Christ, man. Babe, guess who?
Oh.
No dirty Popeye out there, man. Jesus Christ, man.
Oh.
No dirty Popeye. Don't worry, man. I run away. Me realize, me can, you know what I mean? Smell like you walk with the bar. The Holy Spirit.
You know no food on the back there?
No, man, nothing around there. Whoa, yo, songs.
So what do you think you're gonna leave us a bit?
Me don't tell you already say me and my friend them go hang out, you know, have little fun, so when me ready me call you.
You need to call me.
Yeah.
Alright, you are going. I work on ourselves tonight, you understand? So you have to call me early than normal. You understand? So me can get ready. Come pick you up in
Alright,
time.
babes, I'm gonna call you. So, babes, they can't give me some money because I don't have no money, you know, I go and buy some stuff.
Babes, you understand? Me like month gone, babes. You know what I say? Low, you know. You understand? If anything I can send something to your card, me try, but you know what I'm going already.
I say no long way away for Natasha and Browning for come, girl.
Come on, I'm not so long way out here waiting. Them soon come.
No, girl.
Sister girl. Sister girl.
Oh, you have me away for you.
Come here, my friend.
Yes, girl. Ozzy, just let you have.
Yes, girl.
Good girl, look, man.
So girl, when Natasha there, I know Natasha not reach here.
I mean, I feel so like how as she called me out, I should have reached out here already.
Chairman, you know I'm going like say around time we are get right here. This won't come, man. Gotcha. Now be express if you know they are about me.
Girl, you take so long to come. Like you did I do something, you know, like you did a mash a little work,
nice. No, so me not take no little bit. I hold the mood of the party. Me would reach out.
Like you did a mash a little.
Dark show.
I feel how we do because we buy all long.
So we not go on with it, no good. Kiki, come to your hotel work. Everything good down there.
Why? I'm going down there now. I swear right now, I just feel like I want to live.
Girl, they always say that. They always complain and you know you're not live. It's be nice, man.
That's how Kiki go and always complain and he not live. You want to live and you not even look on it for.
Oh man, I really make up my mind I know. The people them call me an office girl. Don't tell me about tip. So when I'm customer them come push and look at tip in my pocket in a girl. I didn't even remember say the tip in a pocket to do. Them I can't stress my brain. Me I left for true.
Good girl, you go like you don't know how the working environment go again. All you just to go and hold the work till you get one better. You see me, you just go and do your thing, mama.
Girl, you can't go on, you know. Because you're there with policeman, you know. You know how to work. You know not want to worry about policeman I wash for your plate.
Anyways, enough of that. Natasha, I go on for your store. I say I post up on Instagram and all these things.
And I want to tell no say it a go on good. I not tell no lie. And since the other day my man get one deal for me, you know, I say I love you. That's why you see me post them there's something on Instagram. But for me I think for do right now, I want to start make my own stuff them in the store. So that me a work pan right now. But I don't want to talk about it. Because you know say more while I talk about things in a workout. So I just go and work pan it. I love how you go.
Girl, I'm happy for you. Like how things always go your way, you know. It's a go get a girl, I not lie, but no. Nowadays I have to watch out for them, man, you know, good girl. Come I not lie, them an artist boy and me the hotel and me see boy come in and me a bag and get back at them.
Girl, let's say to Kiki, me and you know saying every man stays.
True, cause if me did follow people bow and say about policeman, me and my husband who do the right now. He might not have the money, you know, in our way to finance me, but everything I go and good and take care of me, you know.
You can go and talk, you know. But you go and like say the policeman when they catch Boromar raise him, they married. Natasha, I'm not tell her to pray a man, but I see these things happen with their work, with the artists, them in and out with woman. I meant just tell us if you just watch yourself. Hey, girl.
I real talk, you know. I real talk, girl. But don't worry your head, man. Because, you know, I like myself careless. Hello? Girl, everything alright? You sure? No, sir. No, sir. Oh God, send me picture them on WhatsApp right now, cause just send me them. Me have one plan, alright? Alright.
Girl, you see all them a go and see policeman soon left me no that me a tell you.
Girl,
I don't want no policeman.
me have to go away now. Me get a call and me have to go away. So
Yeah, go away.
I love you.
Take care, girl.
Yeah, me so quick, girl. I feel that way, but
I'm really sorry, so me have to go away, you know, but something really important me get called about. So when we reach home, me text you, alright? Safe. Bye.
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 I bet say I see your man here on gone too. I hope my man treat her good enough, you know, but I hope the boy treat him good enough. I get a good girl.
Hey
Hey guys, it's your girl Natasha and I'm asking you please to leave a like on this video, leave a comment down below, and please to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and also turn on the post notification to be notified when Mr. Lawrence upload new videos. And thank you very much for your support, and I love you guys so much, and I hope you love me too, because I love you a lot.
Girl, I'm not going like say. Stop, broke out the man. I say girl go on.
Natasha, can people them go?
Alright, and action.
Nice. Then one say me I go pan here whole day, me I
And
text
that's
them all day.
Me too. They come like Kiki. She a complain about the work. You a complain about the man. It's Jesus.
Action.
You a complain about work. You a complain about man. And no now, no life.
Man say action I
Trying to catch me. Pour something. No, Sam, your throat feels swell. Anyway.
Angela, this is.
Yes, speaking. Hey. Hello. Somebody will call me phone and break up. Hello.
Angela, you hear me?
Yes, I'm hearing you. Go ahead and talk now.
Yes, Angela. Neither from the officer's business, but I'm looking here on your profile and I see you have some outstanding balance for us.
How much balance leave, sir?
I'm looking here on the loan and I see you have an outstanding balance of 150,000.
You sure say that correct? Because me come the last time me pay about 75,000. Me have me receipt.
But you are late. You are a couple weeks late.
So to become late, you no put interest on it.
Interest is going up by the day. We have a 5,000 day-to-day interest policy.
Okay, sir, I will come in next week Tuesday.
Are you sure you'll be coming next week Tuesday? Because if this stay until Wednesday, because you have the loan officer who will be going out, the debt collector will be going out to collect the debts, and if you can, it would be recommended that you pay at least 45,000 right now, and then by Wednesday you can pay the rest.
Okay, sir.
Alright, Miss Angela?
Yes, sir.
Alright, have a wonderful evening.
You too. Me can't take the thief in loan place, you know.
Mommy, you really get yourself in that? What we are going to do now? Me have to go look and work or try to do something because I'm here from day one. Me and you alone, no father, no nothing. What I go on for we? You know what to do, mommy?
I stress the people, them stress me out.
You know what to do? I'm going to help you out.
Where you go do?
I'm going to look at work in the aisle and try help you out.
Supermarket, that the money they now go work out. Me not think that, listen to me, my daughter. You don't know no little man. We and him there for a long time or so. To help out the situation.
Boy, mommy, I don't know that I go, you know. Because you know, say, them man nowadays, if you ask them for nothing, they want back something or them are going to kill me.
My daughter, calm down. A long time me at the road. What you say? You have one little man where you talk to?
Well, mommy, I have one little one skull me that my short, but a good while now me and him stop talk, but I know say he have money, he have things. But I don't know how much I get some money from him, you know.
Don't worry yourself, my daughter. Me have the perfect plan. You see the next time you call him, Just tell him say you're pregnant.
Oh, me I gotta do that 4 months now. Me and him stop talking. Every time we have sex, me use condom. So what me I gotta do, mommy?
Use your head, little girl. Tell him say the last time you and him have sex, the condom burst. But you did afraid to tell him. But right now, you suffer and you alone are struggle with it and you need help and you need to stand up as a daddy.
Why, mommy? Where you learn them this style from? You did bad. They look like you did bad.
You chat too much. Take up your phone and call the man. I call you if you call him, you did it then. Call him, man.
I'm gonna call him right now.
What is that coming for? Hello?
Public. What happened? What do you mean who this?
Who this?
Amanda. Yeah. No, go on with nothing. Just a call if you tell her something. Nothing like that. You know, I'm pregnant though. Okay, why father? What do you mean, why father? Are you alone me have sex with?
Me? Oh, yo, eh. Remember, say, when me and you do it,
well, I guess it burst or something in a long run. But me know I'm pregnant and I alone. I been asleep with. Yes, me will come link you. Yeah. Still sexy. Always. Alright. Public. Public.
but wait. My God. How you come in? You have a key or something?
The door was open and I made your new baby mother.
Come in, man. Come. Make yourself at home. You know what I mean? Because you don't know say what I feel me I feel. Because, you know, you're my baby mother.
Touch man, me I feel pain, hot.
You feel pain? My God, I can't believe. I know, sir. Like you're there now, but I want to even water head because I always hear my brother them talk about them water, them baby mother head and all these things. And them the things that make the delivery. When you have a baby, you just come out right away. You want to come on, you have a safe delivery. So I have to go water head.
Yeah, go water it, but I am tonight.
I know easy at all. On a serious note still, 4 months. What take you so long to contact me? You sure it's for me, Pitney?
It's so unbelievable. Imagine me come, me tell us me I feel pain and everything, discomfort. I kill me right now, me sitting here. So right now, you stress out all me. You stress out all the baby. Not one piece of KFC you could buy. Your baby want a piece of chicken, KFC, hot and spicy. So if I could have get that, I appreciate it.
Don't stress yourself, man. Don't stress yourself. KFC, you want, baby want KFC? If your baby want KFC, I get KFC. I get my 1-piece meal and I get you 1 2-piece meal. So, I don't want you stress out the baby. I get you a KFC here. I get you 3 piece?
Yeah.
3 piece, alright. Oh, what kind of drinks you want? You want
Pepsi.
Baby don't drink Pepsi. You can't drink Pepsi with the baby. I get a true juice. I get a juice here. Juice and water.
Can get me a true juice?
True juice and everything true. Alright?
Yeah.
Alright, B, it sound good, it sounds good.
Yeah.
Alright, so my son come back here.
Alright, B.
No, it's just what the baby not talk. You know what the baby hungry. Yeah?
Yeah. But mommy, thinking about it, how we belly a go? Because me tell him 4 months, you know. And the belly be show my belly flat like for me.
Don't worry yourself about it. May I come there, hold on. You see this? This can work miracle. Watch me. I'm going to show you how this thing work. We don't play with them. Watch how you look nice. You look like a young mother, my daughter.
Mommy!
If it you know? If it you true man.
Mommy, you work for Trina? Right now, KFC and go and buy him. Alright.
Action.
Man, you see, can't complain with my life right now. Marriage life is the greatest thing, brother. Greatest thing. Yo, got my wife and me have me. She pregnant now, you know?
What?
She pregnant now. And she's about to have, you know, because it's her 3rd child. So, you know, we're just happy, you know what I mean? And there's nothing right now can make me sad. Because me not go out of my way and do nothing or cause or compromise the relationship in any way. That's how me do it. You know what I mean? That's how me stay. That's my too hard though, but that's how me live my life. You know what I mean? Yeah. So, you know? So what going on with you though? Of your life?
Action.
Man, you see, can't complain with my life right now. Marriage life is the greatest thing, brother. Greatest thing. Yo, got my wife and me have me. She pregnant now, you know?
What?
She pregnant now. And she's about to have, you know, because it's her 3rd child. So, you know, we're just happy, you know what I mean? And there's nothing right now can make me sad. Because me not go out of my way and do nothing or cause or compromise the relationship in any way. That's how me do it. You know what I mean? That's how me stay. That's my too hard though, but that's how me live my life. You know what I mean? Yeah. So, you know? So what going on with you though? Of your life?
Action.
Boy, I'm glad she's still, but I tell you the truth in my general. Me no believe in the marriage thing, you know. Them they sitting there rope in the aisle. I wonder if you understand what I mean. Quick. I don't believe in that. So, me happy for you still, but my life right now come like a rough sea. If you can't swim down, go there. So I saw my life set up right now. But I'm glad for you still married and I get a youth. Wish me now I'm promised to me they got married, you know. Me and your friend, but God know me now married.
And
But wait, stop. Go again. What come here, drink.
action.
Well, brother, what kind of careless life you are going with? Me know you know them something, brother. You have to be married, settle long, and have a, you know what I mean, a respectable life for the most high. You don't know the things that you know. You know what I mean? 1 second. Hello? Yeah? Hold on, I call her. I go call her, but just give me 5 seconds. I call her. Yo, as a matter of fact, see the thing I always say you want, brother. Nah, waste of time. So we talk, yeah? Some man has a respect and big up yourself. So link me up if I nothing come on, man, and we reason. Yes, sir?
See?
Because you don't know a thing said, you know?
If you make I show you. My
Oh God. Action.
So hold it. You know what I mean? Because this, you know what I mean? But that deal my deal now still.
you see what I tell you? Me just I tell you about the married thing. And them I see you mash up friendship. You use where 190 then there. A 6 grand they beg you. And you look for me and give me 6 bills to do what? This can't even buy tissue on my yard. You have a nice life, you know. You're married life. And one more thing. You see, the rope and oil business not reaching a hit.
Alright, boy, I tell you.
And action.
I'm alright, yes. I don't know what time of strike, 1 o'clock. I think I money go up on tree. I call a girl and find out what she do. Because I don't understand what kind of phone call this. Nah, man, you shouldn't call me them time. Let me see what I'm going on. Rapunzel. What's the... What you say? What do you mean you're pregnant? Okay, so, well, congratulations, because at the end of the day, you must know with what? Me? No, don't do that. Don't do that. I don't understand that one there. If you do what? Which part you there right now? Which part you there right now? Tell me this. I see them bulldozer there around that corner there. Down in that lane there. Alright, tie the dog them. Tie the dog them. Make sure the dog them tie. Because I can't bother if get no more dog bite again. Tie the dog them. Alright? Me a follow right now. Yes. Run a back. Alright, me a coming up. Tie the dog them. Alright.
And action.
Tie the dog them. Right? Me a come. No, me a drive out right now. So tie the dog them. Yeah, she tied dog them.
Action. And action.
Well, Andy, even know me didn't hear good. Can't be say Rapunzel or say Pum Pum, say boy I come to. Watch him. And that boy have a perfect married life. Think me a fool, let him not hear the voice on the phone, they have a fuss here.
And
All of that, man. Perfect marriage, yeah man. Yeah man.
action.
No, Mr. Salt, you know.
And
Foggy?
action.
Public. Wagwan. I want to talk to you about something really important. Wait, no. Alright, make sure you call me back, you know. May I wait for you? Alright.
And action.
Action.
Wagwan. I'm pregnant. Yes, I'm pregnant. What do you mean I'm not fear, baby? And I only want me do it raw with, you know? Yes, the dog them tie up. Alright, hurry up and come.
Action.
How that?
Rapunzel.
Come in.
You don't look pregnant.
You see belly?
Action.
Rapunzel.
How that?
I'm in public.
Alright, come in.
Okay. Boy, you don't look pregnant.
So how this?
You don't just them a while ago.
No.
I see your belly as big, man.
No, my belly.
Sorry. I saw you look sorry. I saw you look and I saw you go. Sorry, I'm sorry, fam. I'm sorry, you know. Let's do it again. Oh shit.
Action. Ready.
Rapunzel. Rapunzel.
How that?
I'll make you wait 1 second. Time.
Alright, come in.
If I know what's going on for me now, you hear them information, yeah. Boy. Rapunzel. What's going on?
Tell her already I'm pregnant.
But you don't look pregnant.
So how this?
No food you just eat a while ago.
No, I'm not name no food. That's how my belly big. Since
Exactly.
baby I
I say,
grow.
since make up your mind what you talk about.
The baby I grow.
Baby
So
I
that's
grow.
why my belly big so.
So how much months this now?
3.
3 months.
Mm-hmm.
So what make you say that for me?
Cause I only one me do it without nothing. We just go natural.
Rapunzel, remember what you do for a living.
That not say, but you know, so me not take chance with anybody. Me always make them put on their rubber. But me not make you put on a rubber. That's why me not say I feel.
You sure?
Yes.
You know, so this like gonna jeopardize everything now.
What you mean?
What you mean? Cause guess what now? You're tied to me now in a one way where you're not supposed to be. Good?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, no, come see how I move. Sorry.
You didn't cut a while ago?
No recasting. Come again. So pick it up from you're tied to me. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
You're tied to me now in a one way where me not understand how to get out of it. You sure you want to keep it?
Yeah, I wanna carry the baby together.
We can't raise it together.
Why?
I already have what I have in my yard.
So, I know me tell her if breed me.
Rapunzel, you know, can't believe you put me in that situation. Alright, you are going. We have to go find a plan because, but you can't, I can't me and you.
So, me and who then?
We have to find a plan. So, just think about it, man.
Me not think about it, make up my mind already.
If you want me to write you a check.
No, I want you in my life. I want me raise the baby together.
Rapunzel, nobody with us something there.
Yeah, I want me raise the baby together so can be a family.
Rapunzel, come on Rapunzel, put a sock in it, man. Rough.
He said, put your sock in it, what the fuck?
We're gonna take it from General. You just not film with the book. See? Hey V, what you pray? So alright. So what you take it from now?
Put your sock in it.
It's like I got on BTS camera. Straight BTS. By the shizneck. Rough. So where take it from General? Stop video the man! Hey!
Annoying, see my video so long. Annoying, man. And I say, I keep on make mistake in it. Annoying.
No, I think I just go carry store where you carry it now, so it'll finish.
So where take it from?
I don't know.
Yo, Mr.
Come here, come put your sock in it. Put your sock in it. Put your sock in it.
So you grab me. Can you have you cut enough stuff? Alright, come in. Ready?
Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Grab me. No. That can't work out. You know that already. Alright, you what gonna do? Just take a few days, think about it, because me sure what me have to do. Think about what you gonna do. If you want to find somebody and give the pitney, better you do that. Me will still send some money and take care of you.
Me no want think about it.
You know.
Me already tell you say you me want. Me want me you be a family. That me want.
Look, can't work.
No, please.
Just find somebody and we will take care of you. Here?
No,
alright.
where you go? Where you go?
Me have to
Where you
go.
go?
Me have to go. Make it baby.
No, where you go?
We work it out, man. Me call.
Come back.
Lose the dog them now. Look at.
You better know say man take care of this up there. I'm not do it by myself. Alright. Come go in here.
Candy, boy, I tell you, today was such a hard day. So I feel I drink coffee to revive myself, because, yo, too much energy used up there, but I still have my energy for you, man. Don't worry yourself. Everything go alright for later on. You know what I mean?
That's so you go on, man. Always tell me about later. And you save up energy for me. Save up energy for me? Every time you tell me say I save up energy for me, by later, me lie down in the bed, not even 2 minutes, you drop asleep. I don't understand how I go on.
Babe, remember this now. We are living in the human race. So who first come, win. You understand? Yeah. Not time for half an hour, 45 minutes. That I when at 13, left that today. The young shooters out there, you know, the shotters, aka shotters, you know what I mean? A long time we do it thing, you know what I mean? Enjoy it too. And you better glad to me come quicker, some people can't come none at all. You know what I mean?
You say energy, you know? I never me. I don't say nothing about no energy. Babes, you know say a time for we step up with the family thing there.
Family thing?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, my family, I don't understand what you're talking about. Explain more. I'm gonna get what you say.
I want one baby now.
What you say? Baby? I'm a rock stone.
And you are all out. Time for you give me one baby now, man. I don't understand. How I go on?
In that demo time, yeah. That's a whole long business right now, yeah? If me want pitney, I invest so much in you, look how much condom over top there, so. You see it? Condom and all these things and the accoutrements and the birth controls and all these trolls and all these things. No, man. No, right now. Alright, you are going. I'm not going to break your hopes because I understand you have, you know, you have your intentions, you have your dreams. But guess what happened now? No. Give me 10 more years.
10 more years? I don't understand. How am I going to wait 10 more years? I don't even know if 10 more years from this me still can have one pitney. And what I go on with you? Something wrong with you and you won't tell me? You keep secret from me? You need to let me know. Because if something wrong with you, maybe carry on.
Yeah, something wrong with me? You can't look on me. Hey, mama, when me turn up, you know. You know what I mean? When me step in. When me spit out. You never know how you go. And me run things. You know what I mean? But guess what now? I am trying to let you understand that. I'm not ready for that right now. Because we need to fly out. We need to, you know what I mean? Instead of you try to find who we gonna left Jim Brown or who say whatever you gonna call the baby name to or with. We can use a money that enjoy ourselves a little bit. Alright. Since at 10 you have a problem with 8 more years. See? And then we can
Alright, kid. Rain and come down. You didn't take up the clothes then?
Yeah, man. Rain and fall. Of course we take up the clothes. The clothes them take up. You know what I mean? Alright, look on it now. If baby when they are right now, you feel so we can they are cool out and watch the rain, eh? Just think about that. Right now, I don't tell you something I don't want to run, you know. And nobody please say something happen to me because everybody I work properly. You understand? So understand this, it's not just about that, it's about...
Babe, now me see why problem. You feel say if we have one child together, you're not going to explore no more. You're not going to enjoy yourself, you can't go nowhere, you can't this, you can't that. Nothing go so. Because we can enjoy ourselves watching the child grow up together. It's nice when you watch a picnic grow up, you know. You teach them right from wrong and make them know the truth from wrong things. You understand? Yeah. So I don't understand how you want just hear so.
Argument done, you know, lock out that sound that can play so. See? Because me there so now and me just want me to just enjoy the moment. And at that you bring come naga. What the fuck? You are going. Me have a cool out run so you know. So go and do your thing, yeah? Because I can't understand what I'm going. Cool out over your saying. You want to come over here?
What you idiot? Go on out in the rain.
Alright.
When you're sick, make sure you say no come in with no flu and no contaminate me because I'm doing business with you.
And that you say? You're right.
Lucky. That's why I don't forget pick me to when you're not sick and then big then can help you know. Look on you too. Now wait for you.
So you don't know, sir. Go down this over there, go buy a pound of flour in one shop. Everything raised up, you know, mommy?
Yeah, man. Everything raised up. Sometimes I go down there to buy me one left and come home here. You go to buy 2 items and the price what you get. Me so give up shop still, you know. You can't go in that too long. Because it's like me hungry, I throw one partner. I say, see money you put in, you take out the back same way. You rough me, boss. So if you can't manage it,
true enough, mommy. Well, you know, say you can't give up the shop still. That's all them things they run, isn't it?
Can't give up.
Every dollar counts still, you know?
Can't give up, really. Glad me have not support me still. Give thanks, you hear?
Well, yes, man. Sometimes you give me something to do.
I'm going to give me heart. What you say?
Yeah, man.
Thing good. Navi, service.
Yeah.
Service always up round there, say, you know?
Yeah, anytime.
Oh, yeah, me. Yeah, give me one Pepsi, me say to my stomach, you answer, cause...
No, so cold enough what you can't drink.
Yeah, man, it's good, man. Them a thing with you. You can't deal with the icy sitting, you know.
So I'll go and tell you, long time I don't see you in that place, you know, where you deal with?
I'm there easy, no, brother. Just to take a stroll and beat a one Pepsi second my stomach, you know what I mean? Cause I'm there raised with mama a while ago. She talk about picnic them in a dinner time. You know what I mean? Cause, alright, Navi, I have Pepsi now. The Pepsi price done raised from last month.
Yeah, man. Price done raise up, man. But then should have dare still, you know. But I try to support me all along, you know.
Everything done raised, brother. And then she gonna talk about picnic in a dinner days.
I understand what you're saying now. But you can't watch that, you see me? Because the youth them have to come. You see me? You get no youth yet?
No, sir, I'm not getting no youth yet. But yo, brother, I run down things. Yo, me a young brother, you know. You know what I mean? Me not run that down. That will come, man. Time did it for that. You know what I mean? Right now I just want to enjoy myself and you know what I mean? Just see what life has.
Yeah, I understand. Well, some of us say we're way upon time, you know, brother, and when the time run out now, we all still start to look on some people with all them family. Feel all the way, you see me? You know, you're going to need a youth them to come take care of you. You know them ready?
Yeah, man, that's something I want, you know what I mean? That's something I can deal with things, because, yo, time now wait for no man still, you know. But at the end of the day, I still have to, I still have to deal with that. Hold on. Yeah, Richie?
Yo. Me there, man, me there. Where you there? Alright, good. Here what you do for me? Me have one line bill with me that I want pay. Yeah man, just pay for me. And when me see you, me just give it.
Oh yeah man, I can deal with you, man. Yeah man, I can start it out. Don't worry yourself. How much? Alright, me pay bill, man, don't worry. Alright, bless yourself, man. Cool. Yeah. General, you are going there now. You have to cut out, you know. So bless yourself. Yes, sir. Yo, a long time in the see you. What you doing here, sir?
What you mean? Alright, up there some live. Me live up there for around 5 years now.
Yeah? What you say? Up the road there, sir? That means you have to do some catch up, you know. But all your time stay during the day. Like, you know, you're free, you know, what time? What are you free?
You know, say though, I work from home. So during the week, I'm busy, but on the weekend, I'm free. But you don't have a girlfriend?
No, I don't have a girlfriend. I don't have a girlfriend, man. So what you say? Weekend you're free, we can link up, cause next weekend would be perfect for me.
Yeah, man. I'm supposed to free next weekend, you know. Next weekend can work.
Alright, here we go. You see, next weekend, 7 p.m, Rex Cafe. How that sound?
Yeah, man. No problem. You know, so I look forward to it.
Alright, you see, that sound like a date. I'm gonna just make you put your number in this phone, yeah? You know what I mean?
Alright.
And then link up. You're not gonna start, you know yourself. Just gonna take my time. So, care? Link up, here.
Alright.
So, up road there, say that?
Yeah, up road there.
So, later we talk, here?
Alright.
Girl, ain't gone no long. All me talk to him about is that we need a child. And he start kick up in antics and gone with him mad self about him gone a road. So, he gone, me no business with him. Make him go and he should have wait up in the rain and catch cold. Make him come back and say nothing to me. I'm lucky.
The man right for you. You know see your time hard. Where do baby in them a time ya? Or if him no want breed you, go make one next man breed you.
You know, saying I make no sense. Sometimes we say something to some kind of people we take for a friend. I can't believe say you just said that to me. Really? Girl, so you don't want to pick me?
Of course I want pick me. But me wait until my financially stable, me breed. I'm for breed now. I'm a broke. Me can't find food now.
It come like you have some problem or something, you know. You know what? I come get up and go on my yard. Sir, me did come over here.
What one Sunday?
Maybe I'm man, you good?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, I just left me a little, you know? So you link, yeah?
How go on, babe? You know, say, Candy man just over shop. I thought about she pressure him for baby and then something.
You know what I say? I said things she over here so that then she come and talk, say. Me no business with her. It looks like she don't realize how things are run out time hard.
Jano Star, you know, so I'm not even feel for going to my yard tonight, yeah. Can't take the vibes down on the yard, you know. Sure, that's what I'm going to say. The man trying to save you as care, yeah, alright?
Hello?
You want me to call that too fast, you know?
No, you're not coming too fast. Oh, you want to come over? Alright, you can come, man. Yeah, me there lonely too.
You feel the same way? My God, alright, here we are going. I don't know if I can pass through, because I'm up on the road, I don't really, you know, I don't know what to do, but to just come check you. That the mood I'm in right now. Come? Alright. What color house?
I want white house. Yeah, I want a grill paint white too. It's not hard to find, man, you can find it. Alright, man, we'll pay you.
Alright. I found right now here. Right now. Alright, babe. Cool. Yeah, come. Alright.
Come like this, a man and now come in yard. How about this man? this a man and I want a baby now. I wonder what I could have do to change his mind. No man, it might take long to come. I go call him.
General. How go on, man? I am no condom.
No, I say I don't say none of there now, my father.
None of there.
None of there, my father.
Alright, you know what? Respect my manners. Yes, sir.
That's alright.
You know, it's a long time ago. Alright. Alright, nothing wrong if I take a one chance, you know. Long time ago.
I'm coming! Hi! You see, if you're not busy later, I'd like if you could come over again, because I have something extra special for you.
I see the paper phone, I didn't even realize I'm concerned. I said even far for me. Anyways, you think me not see the man who come out of your house this morning? Tell me what go on, because I know you not have no man. Where you get man from? Talk up.
I saw you watch out my business. Make you see man come over my yard. Girl, I want to look a friend for a long time. And come over there already just busy at talk, because a long time I don't see where I catch up on things.
Virgin Mary had a baby boy. You think me born yesterday? I know say una there in there do things. Una did there in there do things. You think my born big like so not true?
Alright, me I go tell you what go on. You see? I'm look a friend and me did the last night and me just lonely and bored and he call me and say him come over. Me just say, alright, come over. And he come and greet him at the door and thing. And we did there and him touch me and me get excited and me just split the pineapple and make him put the banana in there. Girl, me not tell a lie. It's nice. Girl, you know have it in a waist alone, you have in a face too.
Yes, girl, you go on. So girl, I feel man or what? I need to know, you know. Because if I feel personal man, when I see him on the road with a girl, I have to go say something. But if I don't hear man and I see him on the road with a girl, I know say I have to squat my like a ass and go one side. I hear man or what?
Girl, to be honest, I don't know where we stand yet because we never see each other for a long while and we just see each other. Oh, and yesterday, and we just decided to link up and thing. But me here saying I'm a girlfriend still. But me just go on and see where things go.
Alright, you can't go down anyways. I like mix up my come here because you know I ever done in a hair business.
Alright, my girl, text me when I reach done. Okay.
Yeah. Alright, yes, my people, they are back a yard. What? Oh, no clock, sorry. One thing I'm gonna in the name of Jesus, please. You see this channel? Me I tell you, this channel, a whole heap of content I got to put it right away. Just subscribe. Look down below. You see, if the color red not change it to grey for me, please. That's all me I beg you. Please, and share it. If you don't want to watch, just share it, subscribe and leave it. Please, but watch. Cause you're not going to miss the threesome if you don't watch. Big threesome. Yeah, hurry up, go get some now.
I'm with him realize say you're not really into me again.
What?
See all this man you wake up. Normally when you wake up you just say, babes, you look pretty, you know. This man you know say, babes, you look pretty or nothing. You just get up and just start the way you do so. How I go on?
Look how much things you have to do this morning. Go wash your plate. Go sort out the mat out of front. I don't know how to sort it out because there's so much things you are telling me to do at once. And then me I do it. I don't know what I want. Babe, you're pretty every day. You understand you're a beautiful woman. But you have to understand say, when you put me under pressure sometimes to do everything, it's kind of frustrating. Me go forget. Because you love attention. You know that.
Yeah.
Thing. So stop acting like that.
supposed to love attention. Me feel your woman. You're feel me man. You always want your attention. As much as me give you enough things to do, in between you're supposed to come back to me. First one you do, you come back and say, babes, your eye them pretty. Second one you go back and come back to me and say, babes, your teeth them white. Third one you go, you come back and you say, babes, the shape good, you know. I want to you, me supposed to always have your attention. So nobody come to me with your foolishness.
Oh my God. You hear me? You hear yourself? I wonder if you hear yourself. If me have a phone recording right now, make you hear yourself. Me feel run go so. I relay me I play. I must relay. Me tell you this. Me understand you. But the greatest thing if you appreciate. Because more than gone left, right and center, but me still there. So yes, me not give you attention. But come on. Jesus. Eh? You have to work it out with me. You know what I mean? Alright then. Give me a little time out then because there's no way me go run. Yes, I run. Come back. I don't really me I play.
When me a peel your banana, you ever ask the time off yet? Hello, if least you can do, I go and come back and tell me how beautiful I am. And stop the complaining about what if I think upon your brain. Me I only think for the upon your brain. When me I do the dirt and do everything where you like, you ever ask the time off yet? The least you can do, I come to me every minute and say, you look sweet today, you're looking beautiful, honey I love you, all them things there. You complain about you want time off. Hello, I only think for the upon your brain. You complain when you want this, when you want all of this? No, you're not complaining. So me tell you, say, you have to go and come back and tell me how beautiful I am, you're supposed to be. Yo, you ready to come on and rock with one.
Yo, if you have a girl, you have to have style. Come here tell you, say, you see me? I have two girls, and you see two of them live in a 1 yard. And none of them don't know. Because a style do it. I have girl all boy place, I have girl around so. And I have one girl up on the lane there. Because of style. And I love the flow. You see what I say? I have girl is brother. Actually, you don't understand.
Oh, go on out there, so. How are they going?
So hold on there. What my boy do? How much money have?
One me have. Only one. But guess what? We don't really need no more because, you know, she kinda too much, you know? Because the attention thing, me not no space for nobody else. Because right now, I know that she's home. That's what I talk about.
How are they going? How are they going out here, so?
Babe, I'm for no reason. I eat the ice mint and cool out. Nothing wrong, nothing wrong. I talk. I just talk, I talk. I want you ready for me now?
Yo, you know something you cut to a public. Just deal with it, isn't me? Really?
So wait there, look like your friend is more important than me. Me there in there so want little attention and you out here so with friend.
Babe, come on man, yo. Oh, tell me brethren and talk to him. What make you always stick me up with something
So
like
I wonder how you would have feel if me forgot spend all of the time where you forget with my friend them.
me no want you give your attention to your friend them want me forget. You understand? So no stick me up, man. Just a reason for a second. You understand? So when it come down to the fact say your time or your time, me not take out of your time. So what you want from me? What you want?
You know what? Don't make me reach him before you, you know? Don't make me reach him before you. Alright. So, I want where you hold out on boat. You don't know what if you do?
Oh. You're beautiful. How's your day, sweetie? Is there anything else you want me to do for you now?
How you sound, sir? You don't sound confident at all. I swear me not believe you. By the way, how you the phone I text? You have next woman?
Come on, babe. You want the phone? Me not text somebody. Me just a chill because we up on the road all day. And you know, I start out where I start out. Me deal with everything. You close them, wash the clothes and fold up. You know what I mean? Me don't know. I just that. Alright. What you want me to do now? Tell me what you want me to do. Me not want money.
What the fuck? Give me a phone. You not use no more phone first away. Give me a phone. Give me a wallet too. Cause me not fuck no foul for man goes. Give me a wallet. Give me. Go over this because done. Get up.
Yo, oh, this a man.
Your bright self.
I feel like a torture. Just because I have a woman? No, sir.
Babe, you know, said I have something more I want to tell you. I'm the one we tried to tonight.
I could have what that now?
Me come tell you.
This a rasta. Give me wallet. Second time this alive, yeah. Yo.
Babe.
Who ya?
Babe. Babe, where you gone? Where you gone leave me? You know what? Me go date a ballad. I rasta now work out.
Thank you for watching thus far. It's a pleasure. I appreciate you. You know what I mean? So guess what? If it's the first time here, you know, subscribe, like, share, and do the right thing. Because I appreciate you. And I'm just growing bigger only with you. So guess what? If you're over AV, if you're there public report, if you're there where?
Bad Girl Care TV.
Just like, share, and subscribe. Hey, you see she bad, you see? Or I say bad, me not talk with a normal bad. Crazy in a real life for sure. But guess what now? Thank you. Big up yourself. Tell them something. Tell them something. Tell them
Thanks for watching, guys. The link is in the description below. Just like, share, subscribe. Make sure you subscribe, you know. Make sure you share too. Alright.
Hey V, why pray? Hey V, where you there? Where you there? Hey.
Yeah, shoot and editor here, people. Spend most of the time behind the camera these days. I'm gonna try to get me some like and all. But anyways, remember if you like the video, share, subscribe. Thank you. Yes, sir. And action.
Okay. Baby, you're pretty like money. I want to talk about. Bro,
come again. And action.
What you really just say? Time off? Time off? When me a peel the banana, you ever access me?
Yeah, man, go right.
Hold it with the banana. Peel the banana.
Alright, let me put rope play first.
And action.
Time. Oh.
That bad thing.
Yeah. And action.
Oh, you really just say? Time off. Time off. When we are...
Dugu and me a peel your banana. No respect.
Yes, because she's so into it. She's so into it. Yeah. It's fine. You're doing good. You're doing good.
First time I got so much time, you know, it's the first time it happened to me.
It happened to me worse. That's no worse than.
Alright, I'm ready. Don't spend too long.
Action.
So wait there. For your friend, them more important than me. Me there in there so, I want little attention and you out here so with friend. You know what? Let me spit and you're not reaching yet. Cause me not play with you.
Rough. Never use it.
How we go, come on.
Let me spit sod out. Let me make it sod. Let me spit sod out.
Yeah.
I ain't reach it. But
Okay.
no. What go on, General?
What go on, General?
You know, sir, you may come link up. You can guess now. Me go for pay my flow bill and it share $3,000 and me don't know how that happen. Me not have $3,000. Me don't know if I can lend me $3,000.
As you talk about internet, you know, if I can't check you. The computer crash and I say, oh, I come borrow your computer. But, 3,000 too. You know what I say? That's a simple thing, you know. $3,000 nothing for give bridging.
Respect, brother. Thanks. Here, because I'm going to start with the bill right now. You what? Forward, man. Forward and I'm going to start with your thing and give up.
Yeah, man, so. What? Mama, you look nice, they do.
You know, easy, you know. I still look for your man, them. You know, easy at all.
What do you mean? Wait, you move so?
Yo, come on, I look my woman different, man. Come in.
I can't believe you, man. You don't see your work.
No, me I go. Everything good, man. Them nice still, them nice, but you know what I mean? But me I say, for me things set different.
You're gonna see your ass big, it can't fit you.
You can't work, you know.
I don't like them bad mind talking there, you know. Never buy one for you. But differently though. You know, some more real man in my life though. You know, them good up man them. But I'm kind of scared to talk to the man them, you know. But I don't really judge every man as the same thing, you know. Because I know you have some good, decent man out there, so you know, good citizen.
Girl, stop right there, so. And stop foolishness. Some good man out there again. Yeah, we just one play innocent. That's why you can chop them money and get anything you want to get out of them. I win you not stay so. You understand? Because this is a life I will live in now. You can't find no good man out there. Just chop them and play innocent girl. I always see what me talk about, everything will fall in place.
Me and friend, you know, but me I tell you the truth, me not agree with you.
Even if you be a good girl, then my money, they still going to treat you messed up. May I tell you? So you have to just use your brain. You understand? Make them feel say you're perfect or when you're not perfect. Yeah, not there. May I tell you?
That sound too cool. That sound like you know no art. It look like say we not go have no love for nobody at all. But you explain tell me say like say no love no out there. Me can't do it. Me can't do it, girl. Me not tell you no lie. Me have to take risk. Me have to go take risk. Anything will happen.
You can't stand there talk about you take risk. I take no risk. You say me when they take risk, you see everything where you see in your see the bed over there so. See the dresser there. If me take risk, I'm gonna have them. So you can't go and be the perfect woman or the perfect girl. That's your business.
Yeah, man. You can go on, you know. You can go on. But me not follow you. You see, when you take man things, a man find out say you don't love them, the way you them want you feel love them, and then they say give you them things so then we kill you. Man, we kill you with dead.
Back to the
Still
sender.
you take man things and back to sender. Still you take man things and then they trick man and then make them feel say you love them 100% when you don't love them. So you want them things, you take them things, you with dead. Everything with me.
My girl, you can't go and talk. You don't know what go on. You don't know how much a cock strike. You see later I go on road, I will get one of them good looking man there and show you something. I go show you something. Alright. Go kill. The milk boy you can't kill me. You never know if he kill me. I feel tougher than tough. I don't even know what is tougher than tough. I'll show you.
Me be like Michael Jackson. Me will start like the man in the mirror. In my case, me will start like the woman in the mirror. Me a woman in the mirror. Now worry yourself. Anyways, me I can go now.
Alright.
By the way, you have noticed you?
Yeah, me have this here. Hour.
Girl, me say I put on a piece of cooking up on me yard there. Me cook some curry and give me picnic there. One near me and one not near me. I look at the next one never near me. The other one have running belly and me run out of tissue. Me nah no money, you laugh. Me nah no tissue. You can't give me one.
Yeah, man, we give you
Alright,
one.
go up and give me car right now.
You see where I come down to now, though. You see I come down and I tell you about it. Right back to what I tell you about. You want to continue link me for tissue? Police. Hurry up, care tissue and go keep it before they shit up the place up there. Come on. Come more. Alright. Oh. Alright.
Thanks for the tissue.
Watch out, man. I have to hang out the clothes from morning star. Please set up to you know. We're in set up.
Seriously? Yeah. You know no woman to put up clothes for life? Okay. Me see why you ask me down there, so if I saw me look woman. Because you know look none. You feel they look.
No, sir. I can't just look any woman just like that. I want the perfect woman. Me need the perfect woman who understand me to the teeth, know me, for me, and not just like running, you know what I mean? Because sometimes, yo, I don't waste time, brother. You know, I want the perfect woman.
Listen me.
That
Listen,
one.
that's how it work. Listen, you look for something perfect. You think that's so perfect come? You have to just find a woman. If it's not suit you, you just love it. No wait, where you wait pan? Just grab any woman you catch. I say you go and find perfect. If you go and sit down with pan perfect, it now go come.
Brother, you think you any woman I want a woman who can come up from my yard and take care of it, clean out the place and, you know what I mean? Tell me
You
something,
really
you
understand.
think, say,
You don't
them
understand.
nowadays, girl, yeah, wouldn't actually wash your clothes, much less figure out the door, go pin up it online. Eh? You think that's how this thing go? Go catch woman. And that's how this thing go. You might catch the big AIDS, you know what I mean? Because none of them at time you don't know who you can trust. And then now tell us them have, you know. Them now tell us them have that thing there. Them just go enjoy themselves with you. Like when you want to enjoy yourself, let's enjoy it. I saw them do it, you know. But guess what I go on? You see how me look, woman? My thing set different. So guess what I go on? You are going to see how me set my thing. Forward, I can get the laptop here, answer, because you need for your thing, you work your thing, me work my thing.
How this man I tell me for? How you think they make condom for? You think I me tell someone not to use condom? Come on now, man.
Hey, and then hold it, you know, and then hold up the video. Guess what now? We just thief a little piece and go in because guess what now? Me have to keep on, you know what I mean, entertain, you know what I mean? So guess what now? Just understand, say me just thief piece just for you. So do a thing for me. Like, share, and subscribe. And guess what? The full video will come very soon. Forward very soon, you know what I mean? So guess what, go on? If you're AV, like, share, subscribe, please. If you're public report, like, share, and subscribe. Remember, me do this for uno, to make you see what I go on, just to keep the thing flowing. Because we post every day, and we have to keep it up to date, right? So do the right thing. Bless up yourself right now. Hump a night. I'm not even spread out the clothes and make it look like rain set up for fall.
My girl, stop right there so before I stop that foolishness. Start over, please. My girl, stop right there before you start that foolishness. No good man out there again. What kind of good relationship you look? Yeah, you have to just, me tell you what to do, man. Just play innocent, just play a good girl, and everything will fall in place. Yeah, just play the innocent girl, and you will see what they go on. I don't think that's what I should say.
Anyways, no, you have to me
You might go don't catch a big gay. Because guess what now, you see, me is a mother's. No, sorry, go on. Yo, General, you know, say, me a pre-life from a day, from what day there, seeing, and it all comes down to man and woman situation, you know. I want to understand what I say.
What you say to me? Man a veteran in that. You know, see how me roll? Me have one leave a girl upon that. But otherwise than that, sometimes some of them man are fool. Then take up some crazy girl. Can't go out there in yard. Then can't even sleep with their eyes shut. Sometimes you know, I watch.
That's true. Some man have a situation they're rough, but me, I have them problems, brother. I see my one of my yard, I have that under control. Because listen, I'm a man. Booth throw. Me that. I deal with certain things. I'm in control. You know what I mean? And when it come down to certain things, I'm gonna play around. Give me a second. Yeah, baby. Yeah, man, I watch you play them. No, I never want to close them. How about it? No, I never do that. How? I not get no home tonight. Me a come now. Man. Me a come. Alright, me soon come now.
You know, so who that did it on the phone, General?
What me know me a talk to? I'm my grandmother auntie. I'm here try to help her with one situation. So what? Me can't help out people in a situation.
But you know, I'm not really asking nothing too bad. I'm just concerned because I hear somebody talk about wash plate and you know, wash clothes. You know, I come down still. Well, if you say your grandmother auntie, I believe the eye still, because I expect the eye for your woman to work more. So.
Wait, eh? What you talking about? Give me a second again, man. What you say?
That's some rock. Go on, country there, man.
What you said, you know ready?
Some tree, you must blast some again. Yeah.
This one come. Put in a purple plate. Yeah.
1, 2. 1, 2.
How?
No, man, no. Exercise.
Yo, here we go. I have to go do road, you know, so. My grandmother auntie call me.
Alright. Forward. Alright.
So, we link up, yes, sir.
Yeah,
if I don't show me, I can't reason about the situation again. Yes, sir.
Alright.
Yes, myself.
You know, man, nowadays, I bet you a young man I go call me now. Watch him run.
Babes, I really feel it right now.
Remember, say tell me, say I'm a police, you know, and he worked late shift last night, and he soon forward.
Oh shit, me not to remember. Hey, you have to leave right now. Right now. Come. Put on your shoes. Already?
Wagwan. Eh? I come to lock up your VGG, you see. But anyways, it's a red money I come to give you, because I really don't like, come down here and say, you know, them little boy there, I don't want to shoot one of them, you know. But here we go, you know. I make a start out the rent, but let me lock up a little bit now.
Babes, you know, so no more that deal, but me pay that come down for me. But still, more on the rent money because my rent
I
due.
don't like your lips, yeah. I really like Calypso. So nobody tell me about no period. And now, make period do period business, I am about the more business. So you say?
Babes.
Listen to me now, man. I have a long day at work. I just need to put down my gun and just relax myself a little bit. And you get your money, right? And just relax. So what problem?
You know the problem for relax with your babes, but
Shopkeeper, what go on?
Monday, I know.
Why me look as special now, cause today's a hot day to beef bar.
Kind of special one. Rum special. Or Pepsi. Rum and boom or Pepsi. What you want it?
Give me boom, cause why Pepsi not gonna work with the energy I need right now. Give me boom. Boom and JB.
I can't drink rum so early, man. Nice Sunday, are you?
I make a narrow escape a while ago. It's good to be alive. You know what I mean? But tell me something. You know a policeman only dug in road down there, sir? You know him?
I wish one of them. And if I want to drive blue parade down there, sir.
Yes, man, I him same one. But what you know about him? Or which division him? I may ask you too much question, answer. Just give me special.
You can't ask me anything about him, man. A long time I live here, now. Ask me anything when you ask me about him, man.
Alright, I'll see you, yeah?
alright, bye.
Whoa. Hold on, man. Turn up on your foot, man.
So babes, what man, scan you scan me?
I'm not scanning. But I never scan you. But you just diss me, you just break me heart a while ago. Eh? You know me done at work. Once something, me tell all this soup life, you come up here and you come tell me foolishness. So you can never tell me before, you never tell me say you want the money, you said you're there for your period. We could at least send the money to your account. I never have to come here, sir. Eh? Who will you take me for?
You know, girl, and babes. You know
Listen. Right? You could have tell me from start say I see a period. Joke thing you depend on, but you're not serious business. Anyways, I'll go home, yeah?
Alright, babes, love you.
Love me. Just pay your rent.
Tell you that early, man. Me? Nah, look, no policeman, girl. No. You rough. When me see the gun, when me see my life, when me think about, no, sir. Like that.
Bomba.
Man has a respect.
You, watch yourself, you know. Policeman a ramp with them, girl, you know. Policeman a ramp, just be careful. Play your game, play it right. Last man, woman, if you look at policeman, woman. You hear me, boss?
Yes. Alright then. It was nice, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Alright, big up yourself.
That's so much worse. What a good thing they go up another tree here. Oh God.
Yo, Papa!
Yo!
Come here now.
So you are dealing with General?
I'm not there going easy, but here I go on now. It's like say, this a week here rough. Money kind of, I don't know, I'm tired for big money to go on per night. But here I go on, I don't choice. But I don't know if you can let me on 10 grand. And
Well, Andy, if you got to your home already, I wish you had even planned to pay me back first. The 10,000, the 15,000, 20,000, or the 40,000. Which one? Come on, man. Every minute you borrow.
So you deal with for real, brother. Brother, a Kangal days and Travel Fox and them sitting there, you know, brother, days where I come from, you know. You remember I used to let them boat for go out back in the days? Eh? In a grade 7, you remember them days? I lay them things them and I get them back, you know, and you tear them from fence because you jump over Miss Rona yard. You remember them time there? And me I come to you now because things not really as nice as now. And me I ask you a favor, I know want to help me. Yo, you really want to help me? Tell me for you want to help me?
Alright.
You really want to help me?
Forget well, then this man. But remember, say enough money you owe me. I won't leave, you know. I don't like say I want to look at chump change. The money you owe me can do something, can start a business. But anyway, I forgot coffee money around. So I'm lending, you know. Because we are friends. So if you can wait for me right there, so I go for money.
Alright, respect. But guess what now? Me no want to look at hurry, so send it with Junto data. Don't get so. See?
Alright, me send you with that.
Yo, respect our man as the boss. Thanks for always. Yo, what you said? We go pay back money 15, the 10 and the 40. Cause you know what I mean, I work hard, you know. None of this can be in vain, you know. See, sir? So we talk, come on. Here, boss.
That's all. You come back and no more money for borrow again. That's all you know, full of sweet talk. And confuse people brain about borrow and then tell about next week. Next week can't come all now. Next week.
So Shelly, I win at the court date.
I'm not sure, you know. But me hear them say something about somewhere in the next week or so. And he might get released.
You know, so if you can get released, you know, you can't stay down here, you know. So what you plan for do? You must have some idea in your head.
I'm not thinking you can go find me. Because I have one little place done so. Nobody know about it.
Shelly. Yeah, sister. And your safety me I think about right now. Serious risk you think about, you know. Them man they will find you. And if them not find you, their friend find you. You better be careful of what you do. And you think, let me tell you something. You said that earlier. It's not who you know, you know. Who you think and know you, they know you. It's not who you know, who know you. You have to be careful of what you do.
I know, you know. No. But things sticky out here. I talk to one little man and he carry the rent come, but it's like the money short.
I'll figure out something. I have to figure out something to sort it out. Don't worry about that. See? Don't worry about that. Come on. Sis, you know sister them currently want change?
I know say place that stay too good enough, but me work pan to get it clean up.
They want change man if you start out the place better than this. I don't like how you look. Look like you really work on things. You can't tell me nothing, you know? Because a tree come on them you hand too.
What you talk about? You think me a little bikini? Me not a little bit, you know? And as me tell you, one little man come here some my time. You just make sure say you are protect yourself.
You go on here. Go on.
Sis, me never want to tell you, you know? But me have one policeman. Me have an idea. The man they make money. Feel like say if we just come up with a plan and rob him. What do you think?
If we are going to deal with that, I have some serious money. I can't have a little bit of money I tell me about. Because I'm in a run joke.
What you mean, sis? We're going to do it. We'll do it for one whole heap of money. We're not do it for not a little bit of nothing. But anyways, we're going to make some call.
Place to delete it. First connect.
Kemar, I wish party day. Look, more you have to meet me run a jerk center 3 days like right now. Alright, just the way you do and just make sure it's your hurry up.
Yes. Not 3 times a sit. Look to your right. You did one. See you know. Hey. You see, as beautiful as this place is, it's not even half as beautiful as you are.
Thank you very much. But look at this. Tell me now, what is that, Kemar?
That's Candy.
So who is she to you?
Candy, I'm a business partner. Hold on, wait, hold a minute. Put a fork in it. Let me tell you something. Candy is the reason why you call me out here. Eh? Waste food, personal time, food, precious time. Look how much things we can do. Look at the scenery. Look how much things we can do. Look how big. Hey, come on. Let me tell you this. We talk about this already, you know. Candy, I'm a business partner, and let me tell you this, man. I work with a lot of females, you know. You have to understand, so I don't want them, and you me want. And you are my number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We don't have to go through this again. We don't have to go through here, man.
So what other business do you want Candy have to do? Because you can't tell me, say, you work with how much woman and you never look upon none of them yet.
This year really gone with it. Hmm? Come on, babe. We don't say if we want them, but we're not learning. Listen to me. As a man, we see, but on everything we see we want to touch. You know what I mean? We see it. It's there. But I choose not to. Some of them when feel like say me out there work with them, I'm interested in them and all these things. And you remember saying, alright, look at it this way. You see, from my perspective now, I see you work with Billy Bob which day. And you know, in our state of conversation. But guess what? I'm not business about what I talk about because we don't have to have an innocent or whatever conversation. Because I trust you, I put my trust on you. Somebody really.
See me know say you're guilty right now. See me know say you're guilty because me call you here for different something and you gone all the way a Billy Bob because you want to ignore what me have to say. That's why I just can't trust them man, you know. Me just can't trust them.
You can't trust them man. Yeah. This year gone with it. And about me and you again. About man out the road. That you really bring come here, so. Because hey, as a matter of fact, let me ask you a question. You have Candy number? How you get that picture then? Come in and you just get up one day and just call me. If you're home and just so meet me here so in all these places. Oh, look at the place nice, you're going to talk about Candy, my worker. How you get that picture then?
Don't worry about how me get the picture. And try to lower your voice because I don't have to dig up when I know to dig up. You hear me I tell you? I ask questions and I just did want to see how she look at that side of the picture. And I can't believe that me a big old fat ugly people here talking. Look how much nice girl you work with, although I know you talk to two nice one then yes, but this one here don't make sense.
Yeah. What do I do for a living? That's the first question you have to ask yourself. Saying, if you see me I do some short films and I act some movie and all these things and I sing, you have to understand the interaction is there, you know. You understand? Hey, you know, take a normal average woman to deal with the situations, but understand that. Because, you know, it's natural for you to feel a little insecure about me. I sing to other women to, you know, ease them pain or to make them feel good. You know what I mean? But you have to understand, say, I choose you. That's why I make sure I stay away.
That's why you stop me from feeling that over here. Stop me have to go around and ask questions about people. I dig up and try to get picture about people. Just stop me feeling type of way here and I feel do them something here. You think me really want to do this? I don't want to do this at all. So please, may I ask you, I don't want to call your phone and can't get your phone. I have to call people and something. I don't want to come and look for you. I just want you to come home when you finish work, please.
Yeah. Let them make more effort. You know, sir, you're right. You're really right. Because guess what now? Communication is a must. And when we start out, we should communicate regular. You understand?
Exactly.
So what I'm going to do now is now make sure, say, I put in the work for you. Yeah? Who's the prettiest girl in the world? You. You're my girl.
So we are getting ice cream.
Yes, we can. Alright. You know
I
where I
can
do?
stay home tonight.
Yes,
please.
babe. Come on. Yes, of course.
Me confront him and like every time me confront him about something that the same thing he might tell me over and over again. Like he might tell me say he love me and me know say I'm the one and then something there. But me still not trust him. Exactly. And me know the kind of woman them when in love. See, me now put that past him none at all. So at that we are good. Me just want you to continue. Keep your eye on him, please. Tell him you can't trust him, man. You know, girl, can't trust him, man. No worry about that, man. Me I go call you back and then we can discuss that, alright? Alright, later. Alright, friend. Hey guys, it's your girl Natasha and I'm asking you please to leave a like on this video, leave a comment down below, and please to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and also turn on the post notification to be notified when Mr. Lawrence upload new videos. And thank you very much for your support, and I love you guys so much, and I hope you love me too, because I love you a lot.
And action.
Why is my back in the bomber? No, that's
And action.
Babe, what am I do for a living? That's the first question you have to ask yourself. I act movies, you know what I mean? I sing. Interaction is a must, because people me deal with. And guess what? I sing for ladies. My song is for the ladies. Yeah. So I'm going to fall in love with just even the way you me articulate myself, and you know. Is that a word?
What's up, baby? Take me out to dinner.
Where's the looking for?
I sugar daddy.
Alright, big up yourself. So close the door now already again. Come on, Natasha, man.
And then see your man again when we go to.
Sure.
Okay.
Come, don't stand up, I'm not catching enough focus yet.
Hello, good day, my
Alright.
Check out the film now. Like, subscribe, enjoy, right?
Why wonder Papa got some misery, man? Yo, Papa, forward there. Why, man? There, why free now? Why you come from up here some misery, man?
Why, I don't know, I'm telling you, my friend. You know, some man pissed me off though. 3 months, no sex, nothing. Not to look at chops. I mean, I want to go out there and cheat, that makes it worse.
Why? Why rough your fault, boy? I have to give him some Spanish fly, my boy.
You know, you come to think of it. Me didn't penetrate for the Spanish flying boy. That's a good idea. But wait, come to think of it though. Me go use it. Me not go do it in time to stop. Because you know that's something will make me hard and bad. So I want to do it naturally.
Boy, Papa, I'm telling you something, man. You have to go back some blend up, man, and put the Spanish fly in them, man, and make it drink, man, and make it in emotion, man. Because I know the thing we work, man. Because I know the woman, they want it hard, you know. That's why, you know, make you feel up, you know, you have to give her hard, man. You see me? You have to give her hard, you see it? You have to do the thing official, you see me?
You know, say right. Me I go home right now, go give it a try. Since I just say hard. Big up yourself. Alright. Well, roots up here now, you know. Oh, alright. Wow, man. See him for that. Alright.
So, Papa, how will they see a miserable? To you?
God no. I tell you the truth, Slim, I don't know where to start. Trust me. I would wish if I could help you right now. I don't know where to start.
And I'm here help. I can't bother with the miserable vibes, man. Don't miserable yourself when you're around me. Sure. But for real, you can start from the beginning and tell me how I go on.
Tell you the truth right now, Slim. I just some pum want, you know. The one that in my yard right now. No matter how I try to touch him, my box off me and he not give me nothing right now. Blow balls me out to have you now. You man not give me nothing. Me I want to be a man.
Really?
Aye.
Really? Oh. That make you there some miserable yourself? So really, what really happened up a yard with your mama? Make she not give enough.
Right now, you know, Slim. I say the same thing because you are a woman because every minute me want something from her, me I touch her, she a box me from her hand, we put on clothes from her, she get up. It's like she lock shop on me and open shop on the next man. I don't know how she change and turn the other way around. So it's something or something.
Yeah, are that really a go on? I not get no money, you know? Or you not provide the service them properly? Because that doesn't sound right.
Stamina is not the problem as far as I can see. But, enough of she. Enough of she. Me get over she. She the pan island, you know. Differently, what about you? I couldn't get some.
No man, Papa. Nothing can't go on here, so. You don't know so me have my man already. But for real, I wonder if something specific she want and you not give her.
I can't want me to think you are talking about mama. You can't talk about that right now in my head. I can't that. Explain yourself, please. When we can understand, explain what you are trying to say me now. Yeah.
That one, so man. You come free coach when me tell you that. You know the normal things where man them do nowadays.
What you just say a while ago? Eh? What you just say? Them the thing they don't ramp with. The only thing to go up on my plate of food they cook. She have to keep that to herself. If you want me to be friend, don't mention that to me, please. Don't mention it. You know that? Mr. Mutt not so strong. Don't do it again, man. Say something different.
Where you going so far? And normal something them there nowadays. And that's why your woman not sponsor you. Now you're going so far. You hear them a sing song go lick lick. Normal something them there. And not if you try.
Try what? Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. Me I come from my yard because you now lead me to straight. You and your lick And what you want to talk about on TV, can stay one place because me now go down that road. Right.
Watch him. Go on in your yard, man. And no found out do it behind closed door and I go on like say you not do nothing. Or you probably do it too. Go on, man. Go on in your yard. Right.
Hello, subscribe. Yeah, you guys subscribe? Please subscribe. Please, please, please subscribe. Please. If you subscribe, you get a lot of video every day. If you don't subscribe, subscribe now. Leave a like, leave a share. Subscribe, tell me that you share, and I will respect you and give you a thumbs up. Subscribe, I always watch your comment. No problem. Welcome to Jamaica, where the crime rates are high. Subscribe.
And action.
Right now, Slim, your woman, are you wishing that they ask me, because if every minute me I touch her, she a box on me and it's like she lock shop on me and open shop on another woman. What the f*** me I say?
And action.
Something what? What are you trying to tell me? Say something we got blow over this.
Action.
Subscribe, yeah? Comment, like, share. Candy, tell them where you're sitting
Where
here.
you going, sir?
Tell them where you're sitting
You're
here.
going like you know and then go over to Akeem Lawrence
And they
channel.
and they them there.
Them
Subscribe.
who did they already? Go and go tell who no did they. Go and subscribe to Akeem Lawrence channel right now. You don't know say Akeem run things. See him, bless up on yourself. Please go over to Candy Empress channel and subscribe, and Reality JA.
Right away.
Public channel.
Public with a K.
Yes.
Don't forget that.
Okay.
You're late. Plus, you don't have your book. How you plan to do?
Oh, to you. We finished them the assignment there already. Or something else me come to talk to you about. But it's embarrassing.
What kind of embarrassment? How happened?
Alright, so you know some single, right? I'm from with you. Me I try to put myself out there. I try to get a man. I literally go to the man and I look the man. And it's like me go there, you know, and me I talk to the man. I smile and everything, you know. And then at one point he start dress back. Me I try to go up to him and he just keep on a dress back. Me don't know what go on. And it happen with every one of them.
Hold on, the girl. Before I get down the line, integrity. Let me eat one of them experiment here. You want one?
No, sir, girl. Me can't eat them something there. Them feel too weird in my mouth. Plus, them give you gas.
Alright, so what you ask about the man them now? Sorry, me I have to put on my mask, you know. Corona. What you say the man them do, you know?
You sure say everything alright?
Yeah, man, girl, everything good. So what you ask about the man them?
Me not have done corona, you know. But still, the man them just a run for me, so. Me don't know why they just a run for me, so every time I go near a man, he just a run for me, so.
So girl, you not ask the man them what the reason for them a dress back from you or anything?
Girl, me not even know, you know. Cause me not want to ask them, cause me just feel embarrassed. Me not like, cause if they really like me, why they would not shy away from me and not want to deal with me? They just a pull back from me, so, and it's embarrassing. And if they didn't really like me, why they would not pull away, so? I just can't bother ya.
Oh, go on, sir. Everything good?
Hello.
Pants, yeah. How far me I come from? So, Kira, where I going? You good? Kira, how things?
Me alright, you know?
Yeah, alright. That's all I want.
So, public, I'm to you. You alright? You good?
Things good, what? You don't think you're good? You sure you're good? Sit down, go on, let me girl.
You know, say though, you not act weird. Me want to know a wagwan. Why not act so?
Let me tell you this. Are you act strange? You come like are you and Colgate and Malice. Let me tell you something, man. You is not a good friend. Imagine say you know say fear amount under one different construction and you have spearmint over there so I know really push one in and shoot. You know what I mean? Mama. And I really say me I try to bring turmoil or anything like that. But it's never too late for a little brush with a little Colgate. You know what I mean? Don't hurry and come out your house. You know what I mean? But at the end of the day still, I don't want to feel too bad because you might have a rotten teeth when I back your mouth or something go on. I don't know. The situations are different, you know what I mean? But you can't people like around here because guess what now? She now make you know say boy something go on under this. So I can't take it no more. You want to go on, handle like business. You find something to do. If you never have nothing to do, you go to sitting. You need to find a new friend.
Hi guys, this is Bad Girl Care speaking. Alright, thanks for watching the video, and my channel is Bad Girl Care TV. Anyways, people, let me ask you a question. If you have a friend or his or her mouth stink, how would you ask them? Would you be brawling like public, or would you be like Kira and try hide it and try hint out to make him or her know say their mouth stink? Leave it in the comment section below.
Oh hi guys, subscribe to the channel that you're on right now, and when you're finished, that is if you're new, when you're finished go over to Kira TV, that's Kiera. Subscribe, like, share. Thank you for watching the video and stay tuned for more hot contents like this. Peace.
Action.
Girl, do you know some single fan with you, right? And me I try if you make the first move, and every time I go to a man and me start talk, it's like them smile at first. Sorry. Yeah, please. I'm trying my best not to laugh at.
And action.
Alright, you know say from with you, me single, and me I try put myself out there, and me I make the first move, and me daddy and me I talk to them, and it's like them start smile at first.
And action.
You sure so everything good?
Yeah man girl, everything good man. So we asked about him and them.
Me don't know, the man them just a run for me so. Me no, you know one go so.
And action.
You sure say alright?
Yeah man girl, everything alright. So we asked about him and them now.
Me nah have no corona, you know? But still, me nah know the man them just a run for me so. Me not understand.
Kira. Me I go so come here as well, alright? See me a 3 more.
Just left this so you can't edit it out though.
Action.
Me want to know wagwan.
You and a good friend. You? Sit and go. Man, shoot her, we can't keep them words.